Hey, my name is Gaurav Jarial. This is my blog assignment. It's all about marketing and food, so I choose McDonald's. First, we go for the introduction part. Uh, Here it is. The limited service fast food restaurant McDonald's has more than 35,000 locations in the more than 100 countries. More than 4 million people are employed by its 17 million people are served by McDonald's each day, which is more than whole population of France. After that, go for the market concept of McDonald's 4P. Product, there are four type of product. Is product, place, and people, and promotion. And I go for the product. The firm is responsible for making certain that product is delivered at the correct location at the right time in correct quantity. Near 60% of McDonald's outlet in United Kingdom are conveniently located for its customers. Customers may find a variety of venues to satisfy their taste, boost their enjoyment at the company establishment. Consumer may accept outstanding service and sanitary condition or at the McDonald's as whereas outlets outlets also have internet access as well as the vanity of fascinating gaming and music system provided by the corporation McDonald attract new consumer, enhance customer service with the strategy. McDonald restaurant provide designated place for children to play with their parents, enjoy amenities such as free Wi-Fi in the restaurant, and I go for a restaurant and I go for the place price must take into account right demand supply balance according to Hill and Joe. In order to create the necessary income, McDonald wants to maintain the cost of item as low as possible. Since the firm was founded in nearly 1950s, this has been the primary focus in order to enhance total income. McDonald employ unique pricing and product development development. Because the firm has its own supply chain and manufacturing facilities, it is able to keep pricing low. However, the corporation also take into the account the pricing of it reveals an alternative way to acquire new client as this time. After that, I go for the promotion part. Direct marketing, personal selling, sale promotion, and advertisement all play a role. Is a promotion of product or service is a wide range of locations, clients. The correct medium must be used to deliver the right message to the right audience. McDonald's employ a variety of promotional and marketing tactics, including TV posters, billboards, bus stop, and reach their target demographic. And third part is people. The business is the opinion that well trained and happy employee is the best person to deal with client. With McDonald wide ranging recruitment and training system, staff are able to successfully connect with customers because of tools they have access to teach. The organizations also encourages its employee to recognize and avoid possible consumer complaint. And after that, I go for the business segmentation. Franchisee versus company operated stores. There are two type of McDonald's locations: company owned and franchisee. 40% of McDonald's sales came from the company owned location during the third quarter of 2019. Franchisee also bought in the rest of McDonald's profit. Over the last 6 years, McDonald's franchisee location has a sustainable impact of the company. And after that, I go for the marketing segmentation. There are four type of segmentation: is geographic, demographic, psychographic, and behavior. First, I go for the geographic segmentation. Is a component of marketing plan that effectively target product or service based on where their customer live to identify the audience and advertisement of product service appropriately. Division in term of nation, state, region, cities, college, or areas is done. People is many places of the world. Various features. Geographic segmentation is a marketing approach that divide the target market into categories based on aspects such as economic preference, dress pattern, language, culture, and variety of characteristics. And after that I go for the psychographic segmentation is a marketing segmentation strategy in which consumers are divided into groups based on psychological characteristics that impact consumption pattern based on their lifestyle and preference. It is mostly based on how individuals think what they want their life to be like. Any company that want to understand the customer process may the segmentation strategy to split their target market other than the demographic and behavioral segmentation. Psychographic marketing segmentation is one of the most efficient segmentation approaches. After that I go for the behavioral part. Behavioral segmentation is a marketing technique that split client into groups based on their behavior pattern while engaging with company of website. The importance of behavioral segmentation can be shown in the following way. It's identify the most engaged user, enhance messaging, accuracy, deliveries, and refine tailored experience and increase brand loyalty. After that, I research on the pastel of McDonald. The pastel means is political, economical factor, social factor, technological factor, environment factor, and legal factor. First, I go for the political factor. The political framework is McDonald's operate the critical because it provides both opportunities and risks to its long-term survival. Organization can be affected by the government policy as matters such as trade and public health. Business may find it more straightforward or more challenging to conduct business in some sectors, such as when food regulation differ across the countries they operate, such as United States and Europe. Fast food reliefs and ingredient bans can make business more expensive, especially health concerns like obesity arise. And in economic sectors, the international and national or local economic conditions impact McDonald's because it's a global brand. A decline in disposable income, an increase in unemployment, and pay segmentation all affect the entire company due to the 2008 economic recession impact on the United States and Europe. Therefore, McDonald prosperity is depend on the robust economy and low unemployment rate. The decline the sale and also attribute to shift the consumer taste and increased competition in the market. Having a weaker US currency means McDonald financial reporting we will more accurate. And after that, in social culture, McDonald's sales can be affected by the shifting taste of consumer. McDonald's had developed a McCafe menu to compete with Starbucks in the coffee sector. McDonald's has had to adapt the changing tastes such as increased focus on health or risk losing customer. McDonald's need to adapt to shifting client demographic such as health and price continually, and a low fat menu option will be necessary for McDonald's to meet customer demand and grow its business. McDonald's has also to give healthier option to all of the customers, especially children, because of ongoing concern about obesity. And in technological sector, in addition to improve company process like recording, minimizing waste, new technologies also McDonald's to build stronger relationship with the customer by giving customer a variety of options for purchasing such as self-service and collection at the stop or online ordering. Technology may help McDonald's improve its brand and increase sale. Customer information can gather throughout the online order which can be used for personalized marketing and campaigning. Thanks for this new technology, consumer can expect more significant level of convenience with means business will have to keep us on a risk losing customer to competitor brand may also use technology to reach a much larger audience and implements effective social media tactics for interact with their target audience. After that, I go for the ethic and sustainable marketing. McDonald's unbelieved their 220 CSR sustainability and framework in the apparel include five pillars: food sourcing, the environment, people, and community. The organization claims that activity take under the pillars while asset in the meeting, the social and the final imperative requirement to ensure prosperous future. After that, I go for the promotions strategies of McDonald's. Consumer had acquired a lot of information about McDonald's as a result of higher rate of exposure. Perception has been formed and unconsciously, and go for the buying behavior of McDonald's. The decision-making process and activities of person involved in the purchase, use of item or service are referred to purchasing behavior. Many variables impact behavior, including personal, psychological, and social aspect. Furthermore, psychological implements such as perception, personality, attitude, motivation, and learning influence on the purchasing behavior. And here it is my reference. And thank you so much for listening my marketing dynamic video. Hope do you like it.